So here's the Dewalt. Now the important thing to look at, and sometimes these are on fantastic price. Sometimes it's less expensive. Locksmith's cheap. We buy these door installation kits because sometimes it's cheaper to buy this kit than to go out and buy the hole saws. The most important thing you want to look at is you need a 2 1/8 inch hole saw and you need a 1 inch. Sometimes they have 7/8 as the hole saw, so don't buy that kit. So get the 1 inch and 2 1/8. Locksmiths like these because we can save money because we like this just to buy it for the hole saws. But the kit seems to be okay too. It looks good. You know, DeWalt's a decent company. Kit. We got the arbor with a drill. We have, what do we got here? Now, what's interesting with these kits is it's meant to do the back sets on most doors. From the edge of the door to the center of the hole is 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. So this is adjustable to do a 2 3/8 back set and a 2 3/4 inch back set. If you have a 5-inch back set, this is not going to do the trick. So the back set, the jig is meant for 2 3/8 to 2 3/4. It won't do 5-inch back sets. The door thickness is good for 1 3/8 to 1 3/4. 1 3/4 is a lot of front doors. Interior doors are usually 1 3/8 inches, or bedroom doors, bathroom doors, that sort of thing. You know, out of the box, like I said, as a locksmith, what I really want is I want the hole saws, because these are good for wood, and they call them bimetal hole saws, so they're good for most steel doors that you have in residential use. And it comes with the arbor. You get to use that. The only thing is, as locksmiths, we like to have 2 arbors because I don't want to be taking this off and switching it around. So I know for a fact these are good hole saws. The price is good. Usually the kit, it's good just to buy for the hole saws if they're on sale. The only thing about this jig, which I don't really like, is to adjust it, I have to pull out this, turn it around for my door thickness between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4. I got to pull out that little piece. That's a bit of a pain. And then I also have to do the same thing with the back set. I have to pull this out, very simple, and just switch it around. So what I may find is most people, you know, it's simple, but it's a bit of a pain in the butt to do. So I've seen other ones, like our professional ones we use. If you see my other videos, I'll put the link in here. It's pretty idiot-proof. This one, that's my only fault with it. It'll do the trick, you know. Remember, when you're drilling on the door, don't drill, just put your hole saw here and drill all the way through. Drill in about halfway. Once your tip pulls out, you can take the jig off and just freehand drill, or you can turn it around, line it up, and drill it again. So don't drill all the way through the door with this. Go half and then half from the other side. And we have other installation videos you can see. This is just looking at it. How is it? What do I think? I probably won't use that jig, but I got what I wanted. We'll do a comparison between the different jigs. This is okay out of the box. I consider it a little bit confusing for most people, but let's see what happens. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.